Be informed. Be alert. The information you need to know about COVID-19 vaccine. Right here, right now, on The Vax.
There have been, for example, for cases in the UK, may mga na-document nga ang symptoms na na-associate sa Delta variant are a little bit different from yung typical na ano. So yung usual symptoms natin is ang ubo, kag yung loss of taste and loss of smell. These two symptoms have not been so much pronounced in the Delta variant. Pero ang iba pang mga symptoms na mas na-associate subong sa Delta variant would be runny nose, fever, headache, and sore throat. So may a slight difference in terms of the symptoms that we could experience with the Delta variant, but nonetheless, ara man Japon yung threat of, for example, yung symptoms na yun are initially mild. But when we talk about how pathogenic, for example, or how virulent this particular variant is, if, for example, in unvaccinated people, ang effect ng Delta variant, more or less similar man siya sa effect sa, let's say, Alpha variant or the like, especially when you talk about, for example, severe cases na. So, hindi pa siya na-document na mas lala ang symptoms niya, meaning that you have higher chances to be hospitalized, but at the same time, it is still as devastating as all the other previous variants that have been identified. That's why kinanglan gid maghalong kita irrespective of kung ano man variant ang galibot sa aton diri sa Iloilo kag sa Western Visayas.